Welcome traders to yet another educational video of Nifty analysis, episode number 40. In my previous video, I had clearly shared that if Nifty spot closes above 14,000 levels for a day or two, then we could hit 14,650 levels and possibly even 15,000 levels. We could see very clearly that the first level which I had shared was tested by the Nifty spot. The second level could not be tested, and in last few days we can see market has somehow corrected very sharply. So the reason for making this video is a simple thing, that is it so that the market has stopped out in the short term and we could see this ongoing correction of last 2 days continuing even further. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now this is the monthly time frame, my friends. We can see this is the monthly time frame, and over here there is nothing much to say. The chart is not very loud, although I could see one thing very clearly. After this breakout, you can see only a little bit of time has been spent above this trend line. We needed at least a 3% close above this trend line, which is yet to happen, I guess. After this month's close, we'll come to know what is the scenario. But the main thing which I can see is the RSI is clearly showing an overbought reading. We can see that RSI is almost near 70, and the candle which has been made over here, it looks like a shooting star. It is not exactly a classical shooting star, but nevertheless it looks like one. Yes, I agree that yet the month is yet to be completed, but still we can clearly see that there is some sort of selling pressure which is coming up at higher levels at around 14,740, 14,750 levels. Now let us go to a lower time frame. Now in the lower time frame, things are even more clear. You can see price has traded above the trend line, but the last two candles which have been made over here do have some sort of uncertainty. You can see this first candle is a doji, and this next candle is a slightly larger in size. The height of this candle is slightly larger, and it is clearly saying that some sort of selling pressure is at higher levels, and this is possibly also a buying climax sort of formation which has happened in these two candles. And apart from that, you can see RSI is extremely overbought. I think it is somewhere around 80. It was somewhere around 80 in the last week. In this week, it has slightly come down at 78. But just see once how many times market has tested 80 level of RSI and it has been able to sustain in last few times. Correct. So yes, it is a very clear sign market is tired to go up. It's not saying that the market has stopped out, but yes, it is certainly a sign that market is very tired to go at higher levels now. Now let's look at the shorter term time frame. Now in the shorter term time frame, things are even more clear. What I can clearly see is, first of all, let me show you the negative divergence between the price and the oscillators. What I'll do is I'll just convert this price in actually in a line chart. This will be much easier for all of you to see it. You can see this higher high made in price, and this is a lower high made in RSI and lower high in MACD. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, these all these signs are clearly saying market is losing momentum, market is losing its grip, and possibly there is a sign that market is trying to come down, but we'll need a little bit more signals apart from that. Now this candle formation which I can clearly see over here, especially on this day, if the candle would have closed somewhere over here, I think top would have been made somewhere over here. But on this particular day, there was some sort of support which come. But yesterday, you can see market has closed almost 218 points down. And even the RSI has come down very sharply. You know, the RSI, if it comes little bit down, but if it comes down vis-a-vis very sharply, that's something you should take notice about that. And this particular candle pattern, exactly the name we cannot give it, but yes, if this candle was completed somewhere over here, it could have been a bearish engulfing pattern, but it could not be completed. Nevertheless, in the next day we have been able to close below this particular low, which is not a good sign, first of all. So now the question is that how far the market can correct. According to me, I'm not talking of a very large correction, uh, like a medium term correction or something. As of now, I'm just trying to concentrate in the shorter term version. And if this correction continues Monday, Tuesday, next couple of days, if the correction continues, momentum also continues, then I think we could see 14,000 levels be tested by Nifty very, very soon in next few days. And once you can see the price closing below this particular level, below 14,000 levels, or you can say in round figure 13,990 also, then possibly we could also hit this particular level, which is around 13,780 level. All right, you can see the height of this candle is very, very large, and you can see couple of candles being made in the same range. So after 14,000 level is breached and closed below that for a couple of days, you could expect 13,780 levels coming also. All right. So basically, people who have been long in the market, people who have been making money in the market very, very easily in last 2-3 months, I completely agree. It was a honeymoon period for people who were passive traders, people who just do delivery based trading, even people who are into F&O trading for the short term swing trading, even they have made money. But now I think a person should be a little bit careful in his approach towards the market. And sometimes what happens is, if you do some sort of foolish trade, some sort of foolish mistake, and market is trying to say that I'm tired to go up, if that time you commit some mistake, then it is a very, very harsh price you'll have to pay to the market. All right. So be very careful in your trades next time. I've shared my levels. And if you feel this video has been very, very useful for you, do share this video with some other traders who find it useful too. And kindly let me know with your comments below in the comment section, how did you find my video? Till then, trade well and stay safe.